All right, good afternoon, Mr. and Mrs. Juergens. Welcome to the first installment of your builder update series here. So obviously you guys see some movement out here on the job site. So let me show you what we've been up to this week. So obviously, number one, we got the pad done. We got it where we wanted it to, got it brought up about 6 inches, compacted, tested, all that fun stuff. So we are ready for construction. So the first thing we do, first couple things we do essentially, this is the second thing that typically gets done. You notice this is going to be your main sewer lateral that's going to go out to the street there, and we have to tie that in to the actual home site. So what you're looking at here is you're looking at your main water line and your main sewer lateral. So it gets trenched in all the way to the house here. This is also going to be getting inspected, so we'll have this on for inspection on Monday. We'll take you up to the house here. Show you what we got. All right, so this is where we're tying into the house. You notice the main plumbing is going to come in here. You have a little clean out stack right here, or possibly right here. They might just cap that guy off and leave the clean out right here for you, just for quick access. But then of course it gets tied into the house. So this is one of the first inspections that your home is going to go through right here. So essentially what we want to make sure, and let's see if they got some water in here for us. It's good stuff. So you see this stack right here, it's about 10 feet tall. They fill this stack up with water, and we want to make sure that that water holds in there just to make sure that we don't have any leaks at any of our coupling joints or anything like that. So this is the first time that we actually inspect your underground plumbing. So once we get the green light on your underground plumbing, we're good to go ahead and move into slab prep. So the first thing that we did on your actual home site is we came in and set all the form boards out here. So this gives me the perimeter of the foundation of your home. This is essentially what the foundation is going to look like. You got your front porch here, and of course your back porch, patios formed in back there. So again, once we get through the underground plumbing, that gives us the green light to go ahead and start slab prep. So what they're going to come in and do is we got to come in and start digging in all the footers. The footers are going to be all the way around the exterior of the home here. Again, there's certain engineering specifications that we have to meet, so we want to make sure that we're doing that. And then there's a bunch of different materials that go into your actual home site here. You can see some of it laying over here as part of the slab pack. So you're gonna have a ton of rebar that gets installed. You got the welded wire mesh, you got the poly vapor barrier, and really all that stuff goes into maintaining the engineering and the quality of your concrete. We talked about the welded wire mesh being one of the main factors that's actually able to really hold that concrete together really well. Pairing with the actual PSI, the concrete, creates a good tensile strength for us to make sure that we don't have an excessive amount of shrinkage cracking or stress cracking that happens in the slab. Obviously, we talked about one of the main structural issues that you might see with some homes is land settling. We talked about the entire process that we go through with the pad build to make sure that that's not going to be a problem for us. So as the house sits, we're looking really, really good. We'll have this underground plumbing inspection on for Monday. Once we get the okay on that, we're gonna go ahead and move into slab prep. So in a perfect world, we're probably gonna have concrete down for you by the end of the week. So that is definitely the goal. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about anything that you guys see out here, feel free to reach out to me and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Other than that, that's all I got for you this week, and I will likely see you guys next week on your next update.